Hi, I'm Mike from Sage Family Adventures, and today I'm going to show you what I got for late birthday, early Christmas gifts. We got this nice tool chest here thing. I'll show you a better picture of it on this side. It's got 178 pieces in it. It's a Craftsman. I'm going to open it up. This is always so much fun. Sorry you couldn't see me. Isn't this fun, everyone? Now I'm going to pull it up. Just a second. Okay. Oh. Wow. And this is what it looks like. Nice big tool chest. Just what the doctor ordered. Open top. Whoop. There's a nice open top. Might have to go by hand on this one. Just do it by hand, honey, so people can see the drawers open. No. Okay. There's the top drawer. Full of tools, which nobody can see. It has this on it. We can pull that out now. It's got screwdrivers. It's got bits. It's got all kinds of hex keys. More hex keys. Oh, that's nice. It's really nice. I'm super excited to be able to use this. And we're going to go ahead and show you. This has paper. It has all the tools that came with it. 178 tools. The top drawer full of the screwdrivers I already showed you. The next drawer, it's got all the wrenches and the pliers. 4 different pliers to use. Needle nose. And some more crescents. And then there's the bottom drawer. Oh, right there.
Wow, I like that. It's
full of a lot of parts. A couple of them look like they popped out of their place. And I'm probably not putting them back in the right place, but hey, that's the way it is. That one goes there, that one goes there. Don't think that one goes there. It might. Yep, just like that. Oh, we got all these tools here. I got a spot, I gotta fill up. I think I have something to go with that. I have some more. Thank you for showing me. I have some more screwdrivers. They can go in the top of this. These are extreme grip. They're diamond cut screwdrivers. They're really, really nice. They got good grip on them. They, if you got a nut or something where it is stripped, the diamond cut screwdriver will go into it and it will open it. Now, for the next set of tools to come into our family, this is another socket wrench set. This is a 1/2-inch drive. Those are 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch, I believe. Yeah, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch socket set. This is a 1/2-inch socket set. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. open this one up. Something we haven't done yet. This one's 22 piece. Oh. Super nice. Look at that. Should be popped in like that. And this is supposed to be popped. There we go, just like that. These are really nice, 1/2 inch. She got all the fixings, everything you need. Alright.
아니요.
That is supposed to go like that. There we go. And there's that. Now, one last thing. Something else we got. Sears going out of business. They're closing. So we got lots of deals.
It's not Sears.
Last but not least, we got this. Really nice drill. So we can use this whatever we need. So it opens up. Here, there's some tape on it. It comes underneath some carrying case. It's a Workx. It's also a 20 volt max. It's got all the sets to it. Oh boy, it's look. I'm excited about it. Size too. Oh look. It's got a little piece right there that needs to be cut.
Careful.
There we go. And I got it. There's the drill. Charger. It's really nice. I'm not sure how this is supposed to be in here. It's supposed to know. These are supposed to be like that. This is supposed to sit in here with it. Yeah. Do not know. They had it like this somehow. But it's got all the different drill bits, all the pieces to it, all the pieces over here to it. It's really nice. So, when we need it, it's going to be a good drill. It's a nice one, actually, super nice. I'm excited having it. But thanks for joining us for this, showing you what I got for my birthday, late birthday present, early Christmas. My wife's laughing at me. And thanks for watching, and everyone, thumbs up. We like thumbs up here on the Sage Family Adventures. Yes, thumbs up. And you guys have a nice night. And what I don't say, but my wife always says is,
Remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always.
and God bless. Have a nice night.